Hello, I'm Limesh Parekh, and today we will talk about capability demonstration in chapter number 7. This is video number 7.1. In this, we will understand the what and why. What is capability demonstration? So, let's see what is covered in today's video. So, there are some practical tips, and we are trying to teach you a process format so that you will be able to close maximum sales and that too with minimal effort. This idea or format is very well tested. NJ also follows it, and many of our partners also follow it. Also, it becomes effortless to close deals. So, with sales, unless you have a well designed plan, there is haphazard work. And that haphazard work creates a big mess. If there is a loss, you don't know why there was a loss. And if you gain profit, you don't realize why you gained it. By following this, you will know things for sure. If it is closing, then why? And if it is not, then why is it not closing? So, what more do we need to do and what to avoid? So, this clarity will help you. So, first of all, we will understand what is this capability demonstration. Then, why is this capability demonstration necessary? And some crucial tips. In the following video, we will understand how to do a capability demonstration because this is the main thing, isn't it? We don't just need knowledge, we also need to understand how to do it. How to do it will be covered in video 7.2. So, what is this capability demonstration? And remember, this is the most important thing. You might think I say that everything is most important. Okay, I said lead generation is most important, qualification is most important, and closing and negotiation are most important. This is also the most important. Everything is important. So don't ignore it. Understand properly. Maybe for the first time, you might find this concept a bit alien. In that case, do not hesitate to watch the video twice. The first thing is that we have to convince a customer that we understand his problem. Understanding the problem is one thing, and convincing the other person that we've understood his problem is a different one. The second thing is the capability demonstration means that we convince the customer that we can solve their problem and we can help them in achieving their goals, which they want to achieve. So, both of these are very important. If you do these both properly, you can close the sales much more quickly without wasting much effort. It happens many times in the sales process that a lot of efforts are wasted. So these efforts should not be wasted. For that, this formula or this format will be beneficial to you. Now let's understand why it is necessary. Why do you need capability demonstration? So one thing is that if we follow this process and if we explain the capability to the customer properly, then our sales will close fast. So when do the sales close? It's when the customer can take a decision fast. So you help the customer in this whole process so that he can take a fast decision. The second thing is, since your work is formula based, your rate of closure or the ratio will be high. Here I am talking about an important thing, which has a direct relation to what I had discussed in the lead qualification. If you have not done the qualification part correctly, or you have not read that chapter, and you're not practicing it, whatever you do in the capability demonstration, you will struggle and then you won't get the results. And then you will say, I did not explain it. So I've told you that the process of capability demonstration is very important. Don't ignore it. The third advantage of capability demonstration is that the expectations on both sides are set correctly. Okay? You have understood their problems very well. You have explained to them what their problem is. You have also explained what the solution would be and how it will be implemented and in what way it will be implemented. So because all these things have been cleared at the beginning itself, the expectation is right. Another thing is, why does the customer negotiate? In the subsequent chapters, in closing, we learn about negotiation and objection handling and all that. So if you have done this process properly, then you will know that the objection handling or negotiation are very smooth. Okay? It is our experience that the majority of our clients do not negotiate with us. And even if they do, they say it like, see, we are convinced that you have a solution. We understand that you can help us. Now, whatever you can do, please do it. Got it? Do you understand how good this situation is? That the client is telling you, do whatever you feel is right. There is no pressure from our side. That means he has surrendered that he has to purchase this. Now, whatever you want to do with the price, do it. This is an excellent situation. But how does this situation arrive? For this, it is necessary to go through all the steps of capability demonstration properly. The fifth advantage of capability demonstration is that because you have understood the problem in detail and explained it to the client, it doesn't happen that you somehow grabbed the order at a low price or solved a small problem, but a bigger problem still remains. We will also see those examples in the next video. Let me tell you some very important tips. Whenever you talk to the customer, you should make notes in writing. Many people think that they will remember everything or record notes. All that is okay, but whatever is important, you should take those notes by writing with pen and paper. The entire sales team in NJ, or the majority of our partners, we have a habit of taking notes by hand. And when we take these notes, it has a very deep psychological effect on us and on our customers too. They get very impressed that we are serious. You should write MOM after every meeting. MOM means minutes of the meeting. It is very important to note that we have discussed so much and I presented a solution like this. You would think that this is a sheer wastage of time, okay? But it is important. It's very important. So definitely do it. And there is another special thing. To whom are you demonstrating your capability? It's very important. Okay? Suppose you are going to sell CRM in some organization. You are not meeting the boss, but someone 3 layers below that. There is some new boy or girl who has recently joined, and you are explaining the full capability to them. But he or she is not the decision maker at all. So, even after understanding the full capability, they will not be able to take any decision. So, don't waste your time there. Figure out who is the decision maker, who has the influence, and do the capability demonstration in front of them. Don't waste time at the wrong place. Okay? See you in the next video, where we will take a look at how exactly a capability demonstration is done. It has 4 steps. We'll understand those 4 steps in detail along with examples. See you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.